Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive deep into 3D printing and determine the best 3D printer under $400. 3D printing is one of the most exciting technologies available today, and it has opened a whole new world of possibilities. And with that in mind, we have determined the best 3D printers under $400. We all know that a quality 3D printer can be expensive, but with the list of the best 3D printers under $400, you will never have to worry about breaking the bank. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the top 5 3D printers under $400. These unique printers are especially for users looking for an affordable yet high-quality 3D printing experience. For your help, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is official Creality Ender 3 Max 3D printer. The official Creality Ender 3 Max Neo FDM 3D printer is an optimistic and enthralling choice for anyone seeking the best 3D printer under $400. Its impressive features and exceptional performance stand out from the competition. One standout feature is the CR Touch automatic leveling, which makes the tedious task of leveling a breeze. It quickly compensates for printing height discrepancies on the heat bed, saving you valuable time and ensuring precise prints. With synchronized dual screws and motors, it minimizes unsightly lines and ridges on your prints, delivering impeccable results every time. The upgraded red metal extruder enhances performance with its smooth feed-in and high gear density, making printing a seamless experience. Besides, the 32-bit silent mainboard operates at low decibel levels, significantly reducing noise and allowing you to enjoy the printing process without disturbances. Featuring a generous 300 by 300 by 320 mm build volume, the Ender 3 Max Neo offers ample space for large-scale creations or multiple smaller models. Its open print chamber further enhances versatility. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.